To say yesterday was a good day would be an understatement, because in my video I spoke about Vinco Ventures BIB stock. I said exactly how I predicted the stock to behave, and the stock did just that. We did finish the day above a critical level that I'm going to go over in this video, and I do think that Vinco Ventures, ticker symbol BBIG, is about to hit all-time highs. We're about to see a massive short squeeze. I'm going to go into the details, the short squeeze details and all that stuff in this video, so stick around. I'm going to start off by showing you just how the stock behaved yesterday and how we caught it. So in my last video I said we did finish the day below a critical number. In the after hours we were below this $10.10 range, and I said, guys, we need to climb back up. We need to get over that $10.10 range, because I did have the fear that the stock would tank back down straight back to $8.27. Thankfully, we pushed above that $10.10 range, and the stock behaved exactly how I said it would. These lines here, I made these yesterday in my last video. I'll leave it at the end of this one. If you don't believe me, you can check it out for yourself. I said I expect the stock to act in this way. I expect it to jump between $10.10 and $11.28, and that's what we did for most of the day. Sure, we did come down below it. We came above for a little bit, but we did spend most of the day trading between this range. So that was a perfect swing trade, day trade opportunity if that's what you're into. I'm not the swing trader, the day trader type myself. However, I did present you that perfect opportunity. Now, I want to see this stock go up above $11.28. That's a big number, because if we jump above $11.28 and even more so $11.68, that's when we're going to start really running up, really seeing those all-time highs happen. Now let's look at this tweet here, right? First of all, 6.44% change in short interest and a current short interest percentage of 37%. Huge, absolutely huge. Okay, look at this. They keep shorting, but the stock keeps pushing forward. Wait until Friday when they have to cover 10 million plus and not enough exist. This excludes the naked shorts. They continue to dig their hole deeper. This hits $15, they are screwed, and they know it. I agree. I think that we're going to see really big moves. We are about to see an epic short squeeze for BBIG stock. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. This is high risk. You could lose a lot of money. Okay, so don't get all excited. Do your own research. This is just what I'm seeing here. This is what my research is showing me. Like we said, we caught it perfectly. And if I see us coming over this 1168, all right, but first we've got to break 1128. I think that's a big number here. You know, we see we've broken that in the past, we came straight back down. We broke it, we came down here. We touched it here. We just passed it here, we came down. I think this is a critical number. If we are tomorrow able to get above 1128, I see 1168 is the next number. And the next number after that is past those all-time highs. We could be heading towards that $15 a share range. Obviously, that is a very, very bullish perspective. We could drop down beneath $10.10, and this is where the risk comes in. We drop down beneath $10.10, I do fear that we're coming straight back down and bouncing between $777 rather, and $8.27. So that's a risky play. However, I'm bullish right now. The short interest is leaning towards a short squeeze, and that could happen. And we know when these short squeezes occur, there's no telling where this stock goes, but it tends to go up. If the stock does run up a significant amount, there is the fear of a sell-off. So this is something you need to consider. But we are seeing that the traders right now, they are diamond handing this stock. And we saw that. We saw these massive red candles, and instead of the FOMO kicking in and the stock tanking down, we saw it just bouncing sideways, which shows me that even with this massive volume, these massive volatilities, there are a lot of traders that are just buying this up and willing to hold them because they believe in the short squeeze. And that's the kind of mentality and the kind of stock action we need if we want to see the short squeeze occur. So on the 9th of September, we saw 121 million shares traded, which is significantly less than the 8th of September with 317 million shares traded. And I spoke about this in my last video, check it out. But I do suspect this volume to keep going up. I think that we're going to see a lot of volume in this stock. The short interest, everything is leaning towards a short squeeze. And if we haven't had that already, we could be looking at a gamma squeeze stock. But again, guys, I'm just going to keep saying it just so you don't get mad, so you don't lose any money. I'm not a financial advisor. very, very risky play. If you're in this stock and you're up a significant amount and it's more money than you're willing to lose, you know, sure, I know we have this diamond hand mentality, but consider taking some of that money out, because if this does drop, and it will drop fast, you don't want to be left holding the bag. Okay, this isn't behaving like a normal stock. There is a lot of hype for obvious reasons. Me personally, I'm bullish, if you can't tell, but that doesn't mean the stock is going to go up. At the end of the day, I'm just someone behind the computer, and I don't want you to lose more money than you're willing to lose because you're getting excited. Do your own research. Be smart about it. Chuck some money into it. Sure, this is a nice way to make some money, to make a lot of money out of a bit of money, hopefully, but you don't want to be chucking your portfolio into this, okay? I need to stress that. And don't behave based off the hype or based off fear. If you see the stock tanking down, don't get scared and sell out. Just stick to your principles, stick to what you believe and what your research has shown you. Now, I do want to say that right now is a good time for BBIG stock rather, because of the hype. There's a lot of people talking about it right now, and we can see that on Google Trends right now. The stock is being spoken about a significant amount. However, you need to realize that comparing it to something like AMC stock, obviously one of the biggest out there, it's not that much. So although it looks like it's being spoken about a lot, and it is, it's nowhere near as much as AMC stock. So doesn't mean that the stock isn't going to move, doesn't mean that there's still not going to be a short squeeze. Remember, we are speaking about a stock with a much smaller market cap and a lot of exciting things coming. We've got them in the NFT space. The NFT space right now is very, very hot. They're with the next TikTok rather. So there's a lot of positive catalysts, and I do think if this short interest keeps going up and the diamond hands are at play, we keep holding this stock, I do think that we could see some absolutely crazy numbers. Now, I don't want to throw any price predictions out there. I don't want to say where this stock could go. I just want to say that looking at the chart, I do think that passing 1128, if we are able to do so, more so 1168, we could be heading towards all-time highs. Who knows where they could be? It just depends on who's willing to sell the stock, who's willing to hold the stock, and how much volume, and we are seeing a lot of volume. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. We cover this stock every single day. Okay, we talk about the action, we talk about what we think's gonna happen. We've been right so far. Check out my other videos if you don't believe me. So it is in your best interest to be subscribed to my channel. I'd highly recommend it. Comment down below, what are your price predictions for BBIG stock? I'd be very interested to see what you have to say. Share this video, like this video, so other people see it. Other people can come across BBIG stock, what we're talking about here, because this is diamond information for the diamond handers. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in the next video.